I'm Sharon Paulsgrove.
I'm Beth Peterson.
Seven Woods.
We had, I think, 5 boxes that we put throughout the campus, labeled with coat drive, and we got, I don't know, over 50, 60 coats.
Well, we want kids to have nice warm.
Oh yeah,
Everybody
there's
deserves
lots
to
that hate
have-
them, so
Yeah.
it'll be great.
How are you today?
Okay,
Good.
thank you.
We're
Wish I
from
had
the-
to just stop over here.
Okay. All right. Oh, that's okay. We're from the Child Growth and Development Club, and we have
Okay.
some coats to donate.
Okay,
So
thank you.
You're welcome.
We've just seen kids in the community that we work with children, and we've seen that not everybody has the resources that they need.
You know, not all kids have warm coats, so we want to make sure that they do. Hi. How are you today?